How to find Hulu promo codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna find the search box, type in Hulu promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. Once you're in the website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Hulu. Just scroll down and check out the offers. 50% off, $30 off, 70% off, and many more. You can hit towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're gonna get the code for it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can copy the code and then click on Redeem at Hulu. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the official website of it, go ahead and log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you're gonna find the section of codes. Over there, type in this code and confirm your purchase. With that, you'll get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Hulu. Likewise, you can also give a try to other website, as other website will also provide you working coupon code for Hulu. So this way you can easily find Hulu working promo codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.